Alright, so we saw him pulling all the dragon trains out, so we figured we had to get one last bonus. Took us $72, but we finally got one. Come on. Give me something good. Give me a shoot. Feel it coming, come on. Oh, that. Terrible bonus. Come on. Come on, train. Feels like he just got ran over by a train. Winner. Not so much of a chicken dinner. What we got? A little bit better to have our money back. Give it a backup. Sometimes this game gets cray. A couple more. Actually, let's do a little trick on it. Shame they're taking this out. So if you do $1, you can do 3 credits. Give it a couple of spins on this, see if we can trigger something fancy. Catch it. Bah. Come on. Ooh. Not a line. Oh, come on. Come on, let's just try to catch the bonus. Come on, 3. Well, honestly, I'm kind of glad they're pulling this game because I just like it. Always get killed on it. Want something? Enough for a couple more spins. Come on. One more. It's terrible. Alright, we'll play the wager saver. Shocker. Alright, yep, thanks. Please take this game out. It's trash. On the dragon train. Thanks for watching Shorty Slots.